climate change has contributed to making fires bigger and more frequent.
It was so unusual that even CAL FIRE investigators are still struggling to completely understand it.
With the science,
wildfires are changing California. Last year alone, almost 2 million acres burned. California wildfires cost insurance companies more than $24 billion over the past 2 years, with the worst of the damage linked to PG&E's electrical network.
and peak temperatures of 2,700 degrees. And peak temperatures of 2,700 degrees. My pinky finger.
So in about 2015, we developed this binder, and we carry this binder in our vehicles. This binder includes evacuation plans and traffic plans, evacuation plans for every community, foothill community in Butte County.
Why, given that there have been very fast-moving fires before, was it not part of the planning that it might be a possibility to have a fire of this speed and intensity?
I don't think we've ever seen that before, so I don't think that it was something that was ever envisioned. As far as modeling, we did plan for a rapidly developing fire. We just did not anticipate a fire that went 7.5 miles in an hour and a half. I don't think anybody envisioned that happening.
Do you think you should have envisioned that happening?
I'm not going to answer that question.
A difficulty in terms of...
Hello. What makes it... Let's see. My laser pointer. I don't see anymore. Nope, laser pointer.
A laser, please.
I had one laying out here. The blue one. Yeah, great. Thank you. Fantastic. Well, what makes the scientist?
It's our local 9/11. This is a day that we will always remember. November 8th will always be a date that will just sear into the collective consciousness of our community.
Fire's doing, how fast it's spreading from our own line personnel, firefighters. What was different about this day, it was the fact that as soon as our firefighters engaged, they went right into rescue mode. And they were no longer able, nor did they really care where the fire was spreading. They were too busy on rescuing civilians and ensuring that of their own safety. So we didn't get a lot of intelligence on how fast the fire was spreading.
The fire was moving towards the town of Paradise, 4 miles away on the other side of a steep canyon. In the past, fires have rarely crossed the canyon. But the campfire was now spreading at a rate of 80 football fields a minute.
Did they say anything about the...
Paradise Police. Hey, it's Jennifer, Butte County Fire? Yeah. We've just issued mandatory evacuations for the entire town of Paradise. Are you serious? The town of Paradise is under mandatory evacuation. The town of Paradise is under mandatory evacuation.
Fire was now established on the east side of Paradise. Police went door to door to make sure people had left.
Affirmative. So I'm not going to be able to get to either house.
The fire was swirling around the houses. It was coming in at all angles, defying any sense of gravity or any sense of, in my mind, what would be normal for a fire. Too much was happening. Swirling around the houses. It was coming in at all angles, defying any sense of gravity or any sense of, in my mind, what would be normal for a fire.